Welcome back, everyone. And we'll be starting on Chapter 16, Understanding Email, Contacts, and Calendaring. So in this chapter, we'll be covering how to recognize various email programs, understand how an email address is structured, understand email etiquette, create and send a new message to one or more recipients, understand how to attach items to a message, recognize when to reply to all, or forward a message. Understand how to create a signature, understand how to deal with spam or junk mail, manage mail for deletion or archiving, understand how to manage contacts, understand how to create single and recurring events or appointments, and manage share calendars. So working with emails, there's the mailbox name, which identifies a particular mailbox and username. The name of the organization identifies the organization that owns the email server. And domain category, identifying the type of domain. So in this example here, we have jsmith@ccilearning.com. So we have the mailbox name, the name of the organization, and the domain category. Using an email program. So here we have an example of Gmail, which we've all been using for this quarter. And as you can see, we have various labels, navigation tools, inbox tabs, account app and options, and communication options, and the inbox tab contents. So it's the settings. Now, some of this is obviously changed up due to updates made by Google. So this is a slightly older view and may not actually be available anymore. There may be a possibility to get back to this particular view that is being displayed here on this example through the settings, but there's a good chance there may not be. So do be aware of that. Creating new messages. So we have recipients of new message, topic of the message, our message pane, and a signature with the formatting toolbar and attached items. Using the contact list or address book. An email address book or contacts list is a directory of contact information. Most entries include at least a name and email address. To access the list of contacts from the new message window, click the To, CC, or BCC buttons. Proofing your message. Always try to maintain a professional tone in your messages. Run the spell checker. Proofread your message before hitting send. Receiving and replying to messages. Most email programs automatically check for new messages. Messages addressed to you stay in the mail server until you log in to retrieve them into your inbox. Received messages are listed in the inbox folder until you choose to move or delete them. New messages appear in one of three areas. One thing also to kind of know about sending emails as well as with Gmail, there is a slight delay that they've implemented where you can go and actually cancel the sending process. So this way the email actually never gets sent if you accidentally forgot to add in something. So there is that. So just kind of a note to make as well. Using an email program. So when you receive a message, you can reply, which sends a reply to the sender of the message only. Reply to all, send a reply to everyone listed in the To field and the CC field, and forward to send a copy of the message to someone else. Organizing messages. To keep your inbox organized, you can create folders or labels for messages. Move messages into folders. Using signatures. A signature is a block of text that is automatically added to the end of your message whenever you create a new message. You can create as many signatures as required, but only one can be designated as the default signature. To create a signature, from the top navigation bar, click the Settings button and then click Settings. Scroll to the signature area, click in the box, and type the text for the signature block. working with attachments. Sending attachments with your email enables you to share information. In the toolbar across the bottom of the window, click Attach Files. As you can see, there are a variety of ways to insert files. So you have the attached files, you have insert files using your Google Drive, the insert photo, insert a link, and an insert an emoticon. Navigate to the file, select it, and then click Open. Now, obviously, this is for Google. The other mailing systems out there will have also similar things, but not necessarily in this manner. So, be aware. Viewing attachments. When a message has an attachment, Gmail displays a paperclip icon. When you open the message, you can see a preview of the contents of the attachment. Preview at the preview to activate the options for handling the attachment. Managing spam. Spam is unsolicited mail. Most email programs include a filtering feature to block spam or other junk mail. Many ISPs also run active spam filters on their mail servers to block the most common types of spam mail before they reach your email inbox. Dealing with junk mail. Use the Report Spam to report a specific message as spam or junk mail and add the sender to the list of email addresses that are blocked. To view blocked addresses, click the Settings button, click Settings, and click the Filtered and Blocked Addresses link. You can unblock someone from the list as applicable. If you are not sure a message should be reported and blocked in the future, always use the Move command to place this message in the spam label. Archiving messages. Archived messages are moved from the inbox and stored in a separate folder. Archived messages are placed in the All Mail label for further action. There is no limit to the number of messages you can archive. To archive messages, select the message to archive and then click the Archive button. Deleting messages. To delete a message, select it and then click the Trash button. You can view messages in the trash label at any time. Messages remain in the trash label for 30 days and then are automatically deleted. To delete a message permanently, select the message in the trash label and then click Delete Forever. To delete all messages from the trash label, click the Empty Trash Now link. Using contacts. You work with your contacts through a view called Contacts Preview. Click the Gmail link and then click Contacts, or click the Google Apps button, click More, and then click Contacts. Date Navigator, Date Navigation, View Mode, Google Apps, Time Interval, Current Day, Current Time. So here we have an example of Google's calendar. And creating an appointment. To quickly create an appointment, click the arrow for the Create button to activate the Quick Add option, or click at the starting time for the appointment on the day of the appointment. Creating recurring appointments. To create a recurring appointment, click the Repeat link in the Edit screen, configure the settings, and click Done. If you open any occurrences of a recurring appointment, Gmail displays the details for modification. You can specify to save your changes to the open occurrence only or to all occurrences. Working with multiple calendars. You can share your calendar with others and view other people's calendars as well. To share a calendar with someone, expand the My Calendar list and click the arrow to the right of your name to see a menu of options. Click Share this calendar. Adding another user's calendar. If another user shares his calendar with you, you'll receive an email notification. Google adds the shared calendar to your Google Calendar account. Click the View Your Calendar link in the email message to see the name of your colleague's shared calendar in the other calendar area. So, to summarize this lesson, we recognize the various email programs. We understand how an email address is structured, understanding email etiquette, creating and sending new messages to one or more recipients, understand how to attach items to a message, recognize when to reply to all, or forward a message, understand how to create a signature, understand how to deal with spam or junk mail, manage mail for deletion or archiving, understand how to manage contacts, understand how to create single and recurring events or appointments, and managing shared calendars. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next lecture. Thank you.